Euro Car Parts has sent me this very exciting Black Friday box. Let's see what's inside. So, oil and an oil filter. Let's see what the deal is on this. So you get a free Crossland oil filter when you buy oil. And that's great because every time that you replace the oil, you should be putting a new filter on as well. Let's take a look at what's in this box. Buy one, get one free on multiple air fresheners. Buy one, get one half price on selected Autoglym products, which if you've got this Big Snow Lance and Snow Foam, now is a great time to stock up on your car cleaning products. Next box, let's take a look inside this one. In here, there are 2 bottles of Screen Wash. Let's see what the offer is. So 25% off of Screen Wash, an extra 10% when you buy 2 online. What's that noise? Oh, thought I heard it ring. So save $39.99 when you buy these 2 ring products together, which is a digital tyre inflator and an air pump and a jump pack. Black Friday is a big one this year, so make sure you don't miss out on all the deals on eurocarparts.com.